I'm recording right now. Lilian, I'm gonna give you a present, okay?
Yeah.
Stay right there, okay?
Close your eyes.
You gonna close your eyes?
Close your eyes, okay? It's surprise.
No peeking.
Close your eyes, baby.
Close your eyes.
Close, Lily.
Close your eyes. You can't look. You have to wait. Don't open your eyes until we say open your eyes, okay? Close your eyes. I see you peeking.
Déjala, baby.
Are you ready?
Arturo, déjala.
What do you think Papa's gonna get you?
Okay. You ready?
Look.
Look. Look your present.
What is that, baby? Huh? She was like looking at you. She didn't even see it.
Súbete. This side.
You gotta get on the driver's side.
No open.
Oh, the door don't open. You just climb in, baby. You gonna drive?
Oh, I need the battery, huh?
Oh. Oh. Papa forgot the battery.
After, baby. You like it?
Where's Diego?
Michelle, ve a ver a Diego. Oh, ahí está.
Right, Alex? Alright, okay, I'm ready. Go forward, okay? Forward. Now you can go.
Yeah, look.
Push. Go.
Spinning the tires.
Wow. Push.
She's not exactly on.
Estos no son para la yarda.
Ahí dice que sí.
No, Arturo, por eso no lo quiso comprar.
You ready?
El cinto porque ella se levanta.
Wait.